Let me turn this on. Okay. What? Let me see that again. Shut that fridge. Let me see that again. Open it. What? Oh my goodness. Let me see if Cadence can open it. Let me see. This your new, let Cadence try. Is this your new trick? Huh? Whoa. Cooper spilled it. It was just an ice cube in there. That's okay.
A towel.
Yeah. Get a towel. Whoa. Thanks, babe. Thank you. Alright, open the fridge. Let me see your new trick that you did. No, Cadence's turn. Cadence's turn. You were the first one to open it. Yeah. Come on. Oh. You're not pulling hard enough. Pull. Yeah. Alright, let Cooper